to make grilled chicken chop with black pepper sauce, a seasonal vegetable and mashed potato. So enjoy my video. Okay, first of all we need to clear the chicken. Okay, first of all we need to remove the chicken bone first, and I will show you how to remove the chicken bone. Juicy and nice to eat. Okay, now it's time for marinade with oil and black pepper. Okay, next you can add the basil leaf to the chicken, and then mix them together. Okay, next you can add paprika for make sure the chicken colorful. Okay, next you need to pan fry chicken for 10 minutes. Okay, this is called pan fry chicken chop process. So next I will teach you how to make mashed potato, and this is the process. First we need to peel the potato. And this is the result after we peel the potato. Okay, next we need to cut the potato in cube size. And then we need to boil at least 20 minutes. Next we need to toast the potato. Next we need to add the chopped garlic to the potato, and then continue mash the potato. Okay, next we need to add whipping cream to the potato. Okay, next season with salt and black pepper. So this is the result, and mashed potato garlic is done. Okay, now we prepare a seasonal vegetable. First, we need to cut into floret size. Okay, so this is we call floret. Okay, next we need to peel off the carrot and cut into batoni size. Next we need to blanch the vegetable for 5 minutes each. Blanch the broccoli, we need to blanch the carrot. So now I will show you how to make black pepper sauce. First we need to salt, chopped garlic and black pepper. Okay, next we need to add in brown sauce and mix the brown sauce well, and then simmer the brown sauce at least 10 minutes. Now it's time for plating. First we need to add potato mash, and then add the vegetable season is broccoli and carrot, and then put the grilled chicken on the mashed potato. After that, add the black pepper sauce on to the grilled chicken. Okay guys, so this is pan-fried chicken chop. I will show the result. Ta-da! So this is the result pan-fried chicken. Thank you for watching. Till we meet again. Bye. Assalamualaikum.